Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we're pretty much through decoding Manwich, changing to Manwich. There may be another gematria connection because I noticed that I missed some numbers before, and so we're going to get them in there now. And I'm going to do this a little backwards because I think that 5665 is pretty dang important, because I realized that what was missing from our control group would be mind control is 56. Now, those of you who are following along know we take what we find in the changes, we break everything down, we get 4 base ciphers for everything, and in this case, mind control is 137, 56, 160, and 61. So we brought 137, 56, 160, and 61 down. Mind control. Now, why would mind control be important in the Mandela Effect? Well, I'm thinking that a lot of these, those of us who know, we've seen the flip-flops and stuff. Some of these are pretty obvious. They flip-flop. Now, what about the people that will be Mandela affected, but then just blow it off and say, oh, well, I must have misremembered, or, something like that, or I meant something else when I said it. So I think those people are under some form of mind control to just blow it off, or, not see even one with all these changes. And they are small changes, a lot of them, but still, I know people that see at least 1 or 2 and they just blow it off. So I feel that's some sort of mind control now. So we're going to include it. So it's important to note we could be using these bottom numbers, and notice 11 and 11 here. You got 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 11 comes down. 11 is such an important number, it doesn't reduce to 2. 56, 5 plus 6 is 11. So the 11 comes down. Now, most of these reduce. If you had a 12 here, it would reduce to 3, but 11 stays 11. 33 stays 33. All right. So they're a little different. 11 and 33 are pretty important numbers. 1 plus 6 is 7. You drop the 0. 7 comes down. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 comes down. So we could be using these bottom numbers to make connections, and they'd be legit, but we're not, to avoid coincidence theorists. We're just using these top numbers. 137, 731, 173, 371. Same numbers, different order. Same with 56, 506, and 1661. That's the same number, different order. 160 and 61, they both reduce to 7. It's the same numbers. So, and the zeros don't count. And we also could be using all the ciphers. There's 36 of them. And the bottom numbers to make even more legitimate, valid connections. But we don't need to. That's the beauty of it. So we just use the 4 base ciphers, and we just use the top numbers. All right. So we're going to go 56, and that's a pretty long one, so we're going to do it by itself here. You got Andrew, as in Andrew Armacost, the head of the University of North Dakota, when I learned about this change, from REM Losing My Religion, is 65. Mark, as in Mark Kennedy, is in the current head of the University of North Dakota, which we found in REM Losing My Religion, is 65. Hardware store, which is what Sherwin-Williams is, formerly Sherman Williams. Hardware store is 65. Straits, as in Dire Straits, from Dire Straits, Sultans of Swing, is 56. Broken, is in Broken changed to Troubled from Guns N' Roses Better. That's one of your direct changes from Guns N' Roses Better is 65. Guns N' Roses from Guns N' Roses Better is 56. He plays. You could put an equal sign here. Your direct changes from the Who Pinball Wizard is 56. Florida, as in Willa Thorson, MD, Miami, or University of Miami, in Miami, Florida, which we found in Metallica Fade to Black, is 65. Craft, as in Stouffer's Change to Craft, from Stovetop, is 56. Odisha, as in Tashiri Care Hospital, located in Odisha, India, studying the fever of unknown origin, which we found in Stovetop, is 56. Music from our control group then is 65. Montauk Project from our control group is 56. Quantum Chair from our control group is 56. Quantum Computer from our control group is 65. Masonic Ritual from our control group is 56. And Mind Control, which is now in our control group, is 56. So right here you got the Montauk Project, or Montauk Project, as we put it here. We also have the Montauk Project there. But Montauk Project minus the is 56. Quantum Chair, the device they allegedly used to see into other realities, is 56. Quantum Computer, the device we think they're using that is causing some of these changes, is 65. And Masonic Ritual is 56. And Mind Control is 56. So all these things connecting at the number 56, which is really interesting to me. Then Perry Stone, as in Perry Stone Ministries, Give the Money to Your Stone, we found in the translations of Led Zeppelin's Stairway to Heaven, led us to Perry Stone Ministries' donation site. Perry Stone from Led Zeppelin's Stairway to Heaven, 56. Xylem, as in Xylem Incorporated, which owns YSI, which we found in Spin Doctors Two Princes, is 56. Two Princes from Spin Doctors Two Princes, as in Spin Doctors Two Princes, is 56. And said, you could put an equal sign in here. Your direct changes, one set of your direct changes from Spin Doctors Two Princes, is 56. Okay, that was a bit of a long one, so I guess I decided we were doing that by itself. Although, I guess I could have done two, but we'll just let that go with that, and then I will try to come out a little later today or tomorrow with the next part of this, because there's something really interesting in the next part as well, because the next part is going to be 55 and 145, which is Masonic Ritual and Quantum Change are synonymous with those numbers. And there's some interesting stuff in those numbers as well, and I missed them before. So, but this 56, guys, Mind Control 56. Quantum Computer 65. Masonic Ritual 56. Mind Control 56. And Mind Control, by the way, if anybody wants to go to semi-current events, Mind Control is 56, and toilet paper is 56. The very thing they had a shortage of to begin with. So that's not in our control group, but I'm just pointing that out for the sake of pointing that out. Mind Control, toilet paper shortage. Why not? All right. That's all I have to say about that. But That's going to be it for this one. We'll do 50, or excuse me, was it 55 and 147, I believe. We'll do those next. And then I think I missed a couple of other numbers that should be put in that list. And that'll make it easier for me in the future as well. When we decode the next one and get to the gematria, I will just have to go through that list. If I get pretty much everything I can, pretty much everything, or everything would be even better. But I'm likely to miss a number or two. So, all right. So that's going to be it for this one, guys, for now. Thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.